Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for chemistry NEET. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus, focusing on all three branches: physical, organic, and inorganic. Next, develop a consistent study schedule that allocates sufficient time for each topic. Remember, a structured approach is key to covering the vast curriculum effectively and efficiently. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare. To excel, master core concepts across all chemistry branches. Focus on fundamental topics like chemical bonding, thermodynamics, and reaction mechanisms. It's crucial to memorize important formulas, equations, and periodic table trends. Don't just rote learn, truly understand the underlying principles of each concept. This deep comprehension will help you tackle complex problems with confidence. Effective study techniques are vital. Create concise notes and flashcards for quick, efficient revision. Aim to solve a minimum of 50 to 70 multiple-choice questions every day to build speed and accuracy. Always analyze your mistakes from mock tests to pinpoint and strengthen your weak areas. Remember, NCERT textbooks should be your primary and most trusted resource for comprehensive coverage. Consistent practice and revision are non-negotiable. Attempt full-length mock tests weekly to simulate actual exam conditions and manage your time effectively. Regularly review all topics to ensure long-term retention of information. Always time yourself when solving problems to improve both your speed and accuracy. Finally, never hesitate to seek prompt clarification for any doubts from your teachers or peers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.